Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video we are going to discuss some more things about list. So first we will discuss about the range function. That suppose I want to create a list from 1 to 10 numbers. So instead of writing 1 2 3 4, I can directly use range function, which will generate a list for me from 1 to 10 or in any range. So the range function, the functionality is the same which we had discussed in previous videos when we were learning for loop. So we will discuss range function, and then we will discuss that how can we print the index of any element which is present in our list, and then we will discuss some more things about pop method, and then we will discuss that how can we pass our list from a function. So first let's discuss about range function. So the range function, suppose I want to create a list from 1 to 10 numbers. So instead of writing 1 to 10 separately, I can directly generate a list num and then list. So list is also a keyword in Python programming language, which will directly convert the range function into our required list. So the range function takes two arguments. Uh, we already discussed when we were learning for loop. So if I print this num list, you will see it will generate 1 to 10 numbers. You can see here from 1 to, this is our list. Instead of writing separately, we can directly create it by using range function. So now suppose if I want to print the index of 7. So how can I print the index of 7 at output? So directly if I want to I want to print 7 here, suppose. So I can directly print num. So if we create list by this method, we don't know it at which index which element exists. So if I directly write num dot index and then suppose 8, so at index 8, whatever the element we have at index 8, it will print at output. If I run this program, you can see at 7 is appear at output because at 8 index we have 7 in this list. So if I directly print 0 here, you can see at 0th index we have the first element, which is 1. Sorry, yes, I have to write it 1 because index method cannot take 0 as an argument. So it starts from 1. That is why we have to use index 1. Index function will not take 0 as an argument. So it's and then I can see from 9, at 9th index we have 8, right? So it is you can see at 11 we have, sorry, value error, I have to write 10 here, and then I run this program. You can see at 9 we have, at 10 at 10th index we have 9. So let's discuss about the pop method. So the pop method, I can directly use the pop method. Suppose if I want to remove the last element of the in my list, so I can directly print num dot pop. So the pop method which we had discussed in previous videos, we were removing the last element or the element which we want to remove, we just write here. So in this video we are not giving any argument in pop method. So we can see what will print in output. So if I run this program, you can see the last element of the list will is appearing at output. So the pop method, when we use pop method, it returns and if we don't give any argument, it will automatically remove the last element of the list and appear it as an output. So the 10 basically is removed from our list. Okay, now let's discuss about the functions. So for the functions, I am going to create a program to understand it clearly. In this program, the function take as an argument in list as an argument, and then we will convert all the element of the list in negative, all the positive element uh, in negative numbers, right? So I am going to take this list as an example. Okay, and then I am going to create a function called negative number. So a negative number is our function. You can name it whatever you want, which takes argument as n. Suppose n is the list it is going to take as an argument. So to proceed this program, we have to create an empty list which we will add the negative values of the our required list. So I am going to create an empty list called negative, right? And then I am going to use the for loop. Sorry, for I in n. So n as an argument, we can directly use n here, and then negative. Append method, we discussed in previous videos that by using the append method we can add the elements in our list. So as for loop I, as if we take I as an argument in n, whatever the elements we will give in n, one by one it will add in negative list. So if I want to add the negative element, so I can directly write here negative I, so it will automatically convert in negative form, and then I can directly return negative. Okay, return function will return the negative list if all the elements will add in negative list, then for loop will break, and then it return negative list. So I can directly call our function. I can directly call and print at the same time. So negative number. So in negative number, I am going to give num list as an argument. So as you can see, if I run this program, you can see all the elements of the list are converted into the negative numbers. So by using, you can see we can give list as an argument of the function. So n is the argument which we are giving num as an argument of the function. The function name is negative number here. In next video, I will give some exercises. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe our channel for more videos. Thank you very much for watching.